Hello, I'm Gauri. Welcome to my channel.
Arti-culate with Gauri Kamboj. Hello dear friends, today we are making a jewelry box out of an old used Amazon carton. These boxes are usually just waste material, but we can turn them into something beautiful to gift or to use it for ourselves. They look cute placed on the coffee table as well. The one that I have here is a flat squarish shape, which is just right for a jewelry box, but it's not very sturdy, so I'm going to use some duct tape on it. Most of these cartons have 4 flaps to shut them close, but I need one single lid, so I'm going to cut off 2 of the flaps just as demonstrated. Actually, I'm going to cut 3 flaps off and then extend the remaining flap to create one single lid for the box. It's very easy to do this with the help of Fevicol. I use Fevicol on the bottom flaps as well to make sure that they are shut firmly. To make the box sturdier, I'm going to glue on an old piece of fabric all over the box. This will add thickness as well as texture to the box. I stretch it tight over the box as I paste. This has to be done carefully. I not only want to cover all the surfaces of the box but also the inner edges of the box. The quality of the fabric doesn't matter as much because ultimately it's all going to be covered with some kind of a texturizing material, either texture white or a combination of Fevicol and Plaster of Paris in equal proportions. Once the entire box is covered with the fabric, I let it dry. Now, to get the kind of surface that is suitable for painting, I need to cover the fabric with either texture white or a combination of Fevicol and Plaster of Paris. I'm using texture white here, and once it's dry, the surface will become perfect for any kind of color, almost like a canvas. The inside of the box too I am going to line with fabric, but this time I'm using good quality black fabric and using some golden cardboard to create the dividers. They too are waste material from an old mithai box. To decorate the box, I'm using some old oxidized jewelry pasted on the surface with the help of Araldite. I'm also using a wooden bead to create a sort of a knob for the box. Coloring the box now becomes very easy. I'm going to use black acrylic color towards the corners and on the pasted jewelry. I color the center of the box with gold acrylic color. I repeat the same process on all sides of the box, including the base. Once this is dry, I apply dark green over the black. The pasted jewelry too gets a touch of gold. Now for some finishing touches. The knob too is painted black and then gets a coat of gold. I feel that some surface on the lid is rather vacant and I add a little bit of ornamentation there. Now for the final touch, a gold loop to go around the knob and some more lace to hold the lid open, and the box is done. I hope dear friends you have liked the video, and if so please do give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.